12 लाख में खरीदा, 9 लाख में बेच रहे हैं सेकेंड हैंड यूज्ड व्हीकल के नाम पर. On the margin is only this 18% is being put.
So the statement given by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in GST Council has confused many citizens rather than giving the clarity. So this confusion caused due to the 18% GST imposed on the resale of used cars. So various users on X criticized the Finance Minister and the GST Council for complicating the tax structure, which was initially meant to simplify the entire tax process. While the entire country was busy decoding how different types of popcorn will be taxed.
Salted popcorn, कैरामलाइज्ड पॉपकॉर्न, प्लेन पॉपकॉर्न. मगर जब पॉपकॉर्न सॉल्टेड सिर्फ नहीं है, उसमें कैरामलाइज्ड पॉपकॉर्न भी मार्केट में आता है एडेड शुगर के साथ.
And just because the caramelized popcorn has sugar in it, now it will be taxed as 18%. And this justification does not make sense to me at least, but we don't have any option. So hello everyone, my name is Sanket and welcome to today's video. So I will give clarification about the 18% GST on resale of used cars. And this 18% GST is not something new. पहले used cars पे 12% GST लगता था और अभी ये 18% हो गया है. But the statement given by the finance minister caused one major confusion. अगर मुझे कार बेचनी है तो उस पे टैक्स लगेगा कि नहीं? So let's simplify what exactly is the GST on selling of used car. This tax applies only to the businesses reselling their used vehicles and not to the private sellers just like you and me. And now let's try to understand this in three scenarios. Scenario number 1, transaction between two individuals. When you buy a car for 10 lakhs and after 2 years you sell it to another person for 7 lakhs, which means you incurred a loss of 3 lakhs. And in this case, you do not have to pay any GST on it.
An individual selling to another individual, no GST.
Scenario number 2, transaction between individual and a car dealer. When you buy a car for 10 lakhs and after 2 years you sell it to a car dealer for 7 lakhs, which means you incurred a loss of 3 lakhs. In this case also, you do not have to pay any GST. Now scenario number 3, when the car dealer bought the used car for 7 lakhs and the car dealer did some modifications and changes in it and sell it for 8 lakhs, which means car dealer earns 1 lakh profit. Now the dealer has to pay 18% GST on it on the 1 lakh itself. So this is what Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman was trying to explain. So if you buy a new electric vehicle, then the GST will be applied as 5%. And now if you buy a EV from a car dealer, then you will have to pay 18% GST on it. In simple terms, buying a car from a dealer has become expensive as the dealer will pass on that 18% GST burden to the customer itself. So the conclusion is that 18% GST on used cars applies only to the businesses and car dealers, and that too only on their profit margin itself. Individual just like you and me do not have to worry about it. So if you sell your car to any another person. So I hope this clear all of your doubts and confusions. That's it for today's video, and please do hit the like and subscribe button. Until then, keep learning and keep investing.